RX 7600 versus the hype. Is this Gigabyte GPU actually a mid-range beast or just mid? Ever dropped $1,000 on a GPU and still ended up rage-quitting mid-game from stutters, crashes, and heat meltdowns? Yeah, we've been there, frying your hands on a mini toaster disguised as a graphics card, all while your FPS tanks harder than your KD. Whether you're editing, gaming, or just flexing your rig online, nothing's worse than feeling bottlenecked by hardware that promised greatness and delivered sadness. The daily grind gets real when your card gasps for air under 1080p pressure. If your PC sounds like a jet engine and performs like a potato, this is the intervention you didn't know you needed. Let's not sugarcoat it, deadlines are brutal, Warzone doesn't wait, and the GPU arms race is an unforgiving battlefield. One missed frame and your team is yelling in Discord. Constant lag, overheating, and the Nvidia versus AMD wars make it even harder to know who to trust. Plus, with prices creeping up like your anxiety, settling for less is no longer justifiable. Meanwhile, your old GPU is out here clocking retirement hours. You deserve a card that doesn't just show up but shows off. One that keeps cool under pressure and boosts like a caffeinated cheetah. Still skeptical? Good. Stay tuned. Enter the Gigabyte GVR76 Gaming OC8 GT Radeon RX 7600, aka the 1080p Destroyer. This ain't your grandpa's mid-range card. Powered by AMD's Radeon RX 7600 with a wicked 2755 MHz factory boost, 8GB GDDR6 memory, and PCIe 4.0 action, this card slaps. And let's talk cooling, triple WINDFORCE fans, copper heat pipes, and graphene nano-lube. This thing stays frosty under fire. RGB Fusion lets you light it up like a streamer setup, and the sleek aluminum backplate screams premium. From Cyberpunk to Fortnite, this card pumps buttery frames without sounding like a microwave. It's efficient, fast, and doesn't cost your kidney. Hero moment? Definitely. Here's the juice. Killer performance at a wallet-friendly price. You get smooth 1080p high refresh action, elite cooling, and modern ports, Hello HDMI 2.1 and DP 2.1. Your build gets an upgrade in power and swagger. Say goodbye to thermal throttling and FPS flops, this Gigabyte beast knows how to hustle. Want it? Don't just window shop, click through to dive deeper. Check real-world gameplay tests, peek at fan noise under load, and hear why Overclockers and FPS Review gave it major props. Let's be honest, your current card isn't cutting it. Let's fix that. Final boss moment. Time is ticking, gamers. These cards move fast and stock runs dry real quick. Thousands have already made the jump, are you next? Don't get benched while everyone else is feasting on 120 FPS glory. Whether you're a casual gamer, a modded Skyrim addict, or a productivity fiend needing graphics muscle, the RX 7600 Gaming OC's got your back. Plus, Gigabyte's ultra-durable build means you're in for the long haul. Risk? None. Regret? Only if you hesitate. Tap that link, snag your card, and unleash your full frame crushing potential today. Because performance waits for no one. Let's go.